Today, we are going to look at 4 WHM settings that can prevent outgoing spam on a Cpanel server. These settings will be useful if you do not allow mass emails from your server. And in case you allow mass emails, then skip the first two settings. First of all, log into the WHM as root user. I am already logged in. Search for tweak settings. Click on it and click on the mail tab. Here, look at the first setting. Max hourly emails per domain. This setting limits the number of emails a domain can send within 1 hour. By default, it's unlimited. That means they can send any number of emails. Change it to 500. So, if any site tries to send more than 500 emails in an hour, then it will fail and they will have to wait for 1 more hour to send more emails. Now, this is hourly limit and there are 24 hours in a day. So sites can still send 500 into 24. That is 12,000 emails in a day. And if those emails turned out to be spam, then your server IP can get blacklisted. So to keep track of that, we have the next setting. That is number of emails a domain may send per day before system sends a notification. By default, it's unlimited. That means it will never send notification. Change it to 1500. If any domain send more than 1500 emails in a day, then you will get a notification about that site. Notification will be sent to email configured in WHM basic setup. And you can log into the server and check whether they are spamming or not. Now scroll down and click on save. Now for the next setting, search for WHM configuration manager. Click on it. And go to the Apache Spam Assassin options tab. And here, look for the setting, scan outgoing messages for spam and reject based on defined Apache Spam Assassin score. What this setting does is, whenever someone tries to send an email, it will scan that email using Spam Assassin. And Spam Assassin will assign a spam score to it, which will be between 0.1 and 99.9. Lower value means probability of email being spam is very low, and higher value means probability of email being spam is very high. We will set it to 60. So if anyone tries to send an email with spam score of 60 or more, then it will not be allowed and sender will get a failure message. Now this setting is only for regular outgoing emails. It will not be applicable for email forwarders. And your email forwarder can also cause your server IP to get blacklisted. Suppose someone on your server has set a forwarder to Hotmail. Now, if a spammer sends a spam email to them, then your server will automatically forward that email to Hotmail. Now, Hotmail will mark your server IP as spammer because your server is the one that sent that email to them. So, to handle this particular case, we have another setting. That is, do not forward mail to external recipients based on defined Apache Spam Assassin score. We will also set this to 60. So if email spam score is less than 60, then it will be forwarded. But if it's 60 or more, then it will not be forwarded. Now scroll down and click on save. Another thing I want to add is that you should discourage your clients to use email forwarders. Instead, you should encourage them to use email import feature provided by Gmail, Hotmail and Yahoo. So they will still receive the emails on those accounts without the need of email forwarders. I will leave the links in the description below. You can check them if you want. There are lots of other settings too, but these 4 settings should be able to stop majority of the outgoing spam. And that's all for now. Have a great day.